In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a downstream O2 sensor on a Nissan Sentra. It is located under the vehicle on the exhaust. Let's get started. We're going to raise and support our vehicle and find our way to the exhaust. Quick note, make sure your exhaust is cool before you start this job. I'm going to find the O2 sensor and go up on the harness. We're going to remove the connector first. I'm going to press down on the tab near the top and pull at the same time. As you can see, it's free. Inspect the connector for any corrosion or damage. Now to remove the sensor, I'll be using a 22mm wrench. You could also use a ratchet and a dedicated O2 sensor socket. Now that it's broken free, you can remove it by hand. There it is. Next, we're going to clean our mating surface. I'll be using a wire brush. This is to ensure the O2 sensor has a proper seal on the exhaust and we don't have an exhaust leak. Now to install my new O2 sensor. As you can see, my O2 sensor has anti-seize pre-applied. Be sure not to get any on the element itself. Make sure it's snug. I'll be using the same 22mm wrench to tighten it down. Once it stops, go a little bit further and ensure it's tight. Now we're going to take our connector and reinstall it. Make sure you hear an audible click. Tuck the wire away from the exhaust to avoid any damage. And that's it for our install. Bring the vehicle back down to the ground, take it for a test drive, ensure there are no exhaust leaks, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.